Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can add const automatically to your code. So as you can see here, we have a demo app. So let's say we have an app bar, we have a text, and inside a column we have padding, a list view builder, and a Flutter logo. So now as you can see, if you're writing a code and you're writing this text widget, you need to add this const every time, right? So we can save the app. So as you can see, we have saved the app, but we have to write const to have these blue lines disabled. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see how you can add this const automatically when you save the app. So what you can do is you can simply go to your settings in your VS Code, click on the text editor, and inside the text editor we have an option called code action on save. Okay, go to edit in settings JSON, and now here we have an option called editor.code actions on save. So what we can do is you have to simply paste these two lines. Okay, let's just save this our setting.jsons, and these two lines will do the magic. Okay, so we have saved the app. So now what we can do is we can simply go to our demo app. So now when you're writing anything, so let's save the app, and now you can see the const everything is aligned automatically, and the const is aligned, so all the errors are gone. So as you can see, we'll have a text widget again. We have a text widget. So as you can see, before that, if we save the app, we need to add the const manually, but now if we save the app, we will get this const automatically. So this is how you can use this trick inside your Flutter app, and hope you found it helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.